Webtools IQ researched the net to find the best online tools. The tool for today is Viddyoze. Viddyoze is the world's first and only 100% automated video animation service. Now you can create your own studio-quality intros, social actions, transitions, outros and more in just a few clicks, without any previous design experience, without waiting weeks on video agencies, and without wasting money on the same marketplace designs as everyone else is using. But now, you too can produce incredible live-action animations like these at the click of a button. We hired the models, and we produced hundreds of incredible templates that blend stunning live-action footage with Viddyoze cutting-edge cloud rendering technology. The Viddyoze point-and-click system means anyone can now create intros that rival the top studios. Zero previous experience is required. Subscribe now to get our latest tools news.